Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 7, chapter 6, triangle and its properties. Today from this video you are going to learn how to solve the sums from exercise 6.2. The first question of exercise 6.2 is find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagram. There are total 6 figures given to you where always the exterior angle is x. Second figure and third figure from question 3 and remaining 4, 5 and 6 also has the similar kind. This exterior angle x, we have to find the value, what will come at the place of x, which digits are there. In this exercise, we are going to follow the property of exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So, what is exterior angle in this figure? The exterior angle is x. So, we will write therefore x exterior angle is equal to sum means plus of interior opposite angles. Now this is exterior x and interior opposite are these two angles. We have to add them. So interior opposite angles are 50 degree plus 70 degree. Therefore, x is equal to add 50 plus 70. The answer is 120. So this is how we have found the value of x, that is an exterior angle, question 1. Now let us move on to question 2. The figure is given to you where you have to find the value of x. What is x? We have to write the property what we are following for every sum. So what we are going to write here? The property of exterior angle which you are going to follow to solve the sum and to get the value of x. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So therefore exterior angle you will write x is equal to sum of interior and opposites. So these are interior opposites. 65 degree plus 45 degree. Therefore, the value of x is 65 plus 45. The answer is 110 degree. So this is how we found the value of x from question number 2. Now the third figure is here. Again the exterior angle is x. It is outside the triangle to the one of the side produced a little bit ahead, extended. This is the value which we have to find, exterior angle. Here also we will be following the same property. So but always for every sum you have to mention the property which you are following. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, x is equal to exterior angle, and inside here you have opposite interior angles as 30 and 40. Therefore, what is the addition of 30 plus 40? That is 70 degree. Very good. So, this is how we completed with 3 sums. Now, let us move on to the next question number 2. Now, listen. These are only 3 sums. The rest of all 4, 5, 6 will be homework for you to do it. Okay, we'll move on to question number 2 of the same exercise. Now, we are going to move ahead with question number 2. Find the value of the unknown noun interior. The earlier question we did on exterior angle. Now, this x we have to find which is in the interior of the triangle. For this question also, we are going to follow the same property of exterior angle. And here also for every sum, you have to mention the property first. So let us begin with question number 1 of your second question from exercise 6.2. The property. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, now exterior angle. In this sum, the exterior is 150. So, we will mention 150 degree is equal to sum of interior angles. That is 50 and x. So, x plus 50 degree. Correct? Now, if you want to find the value of x, we have to first transpose this 50 from this side towards the next side of equality. On transposing 50 here, the plus 50 will change its sign. It will become minus 50. So we will get 150 minus 50 equals x. Now 115 minus 50. So what will be the answer? 15 will remain as it is. Let's do the minus from 100. So 50 will get deducted from 100. We will have 15 and 50. That is 65. So after doing a mental calculation of subtraction, the value of x is 65 degree. So we got the value of x from which is interior of the triangle. Understood? So this is how every time we are going to do the transposition method also. Okay, and we are going to get the value of x. But in this sum, I told you about the transposition method. in the next step, next question, I will explain you about the addition or subtraction of the similar kind in the subtraction. The second value which you can use instead of transposition method. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, the exterior angle of this figure is 100 is equal to, now interior are 70 and x, that is 70 plus x. If you want to find the value of x, the another method instead of transposition is whatever number you are getting in the unknown, you have to use the different sign of that number and the number same, both the side of equality. So 100, this is positive 70, so both the side we have to do negative 70, addition of negative 70, that is minus 70, and here also 70 degree plus x minus 70. So both the side you have taken 70 but with a different sign. So this is the second method. This is transposition method I used for question 1, and this is second method I am using for second question. Whatever you feel convenient, whichever method is easy for you to follow, you pick up that. Okay. So plus 70 minus 70 get deducted. Now here it is only x, and here we do the subtraction. From 100 you deduct 70. Your answer is correct, 30. So the value of x is 30 degree. Now we'll move on to the next question. Number 3. Now here exterior angle is 125, and we are going to use the same property here also. But the thing is that here interior angle x is given and here no number is there. So as I told you in my earlier videos of conceptual questions, right, or conceptual whatever we can say definitions were there, the property explanation were there. In that I explained you regarding a right angle triangle. I told you very clearly that whenever a right angle is there, the mark of this box is confirmed that what figure is here? 90 degree. Even if it is not shown, you have to consider it 100% right that it is 90 and 90 only. So you got what number is here? Here it is 90. So let's begin with the answer. We will write the property we are going to follow to solve the sum. Since exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Therefore, exterior angle is 125. Is equal to interior opposite are x plus 90. Now, in this sum, I am using a transposition method. For this, the plus 90 which is here with the unknown x have to travel from one side of equality to other side of equality. This we do to make the unknown alone at one side. Whenever you want to find an unknown to one side of the equality alone. No number should be there. So whatever numbers are there, we use the transposition method to make them transfer from one side to other side of equality. So plus 90 is there. After transposition, it will come here and will be minus 90. Now you deduct 125, if you deduct 90 from 125. So when you are deducting 90, let us keep this 25 aside. Mental calculation, from 100 you deduct 90. From 100 if you deduct 90, only 10 is left and we have already kept 25 aside. You add that 10 and 25 together, they are 35 degree, right? So after deduction of 90 from 125, the remaining answer is 35 degree. So the value of x is 35 degree. So this is how we have completed the 3 questions of the main question number 2. Now the remaining are another 3 questions, that is 3, after 3 you have 4, 5 and 6. So you have to complete that another 3 by yourself. It is a homework for you. Fine. So what we have done today, let us do a little recap. Question number 1, which was having 6 figures, out of that 3 solutions done, which were based on exterior angle x, where an exterior angle x we have to find out. We did by using the same property. Okay, and simple additions were getting the answers, and the remaining 4, 5, 6 is homework for you. Now we went ahead with question number 2. Now a little change has been done in this question number 2. Instead of exterior angle x, now the x is an interior angle. So what we are going to use? We are going to use the same property. Only one thing is a step more, that is a transposition method or a deducting this plus or minus same with a different sign. We use the second technique. So first and third sum are based on transposition method, and we did it by transposing then subtracting, and then every time subtraction gives you the answer of unknown interior angle x. In the similar manner, you have question 4, 5 and 6, which is homework for you. Thank you students for watching the video. We are going to meet soon with another video with the next exercise 6.3. Till then, have a great